Hi class, this is Dr. DiBiase, and I am going to very briefly take you through the process of completing and submitting assignments on Blackboard. As you can see, I'm in the student preview, so this is how it should appear on your own Blackboard page. To begin, we're going to go to find our assignment, so we're going to use the first short assignment for the course. We'll click Course Content and go to the Week 1 module. Here we'll see a list of items in the module. As you've probably already seen, there's the syllabus quiz and the Flipgrid introduction. And now we're going to get to our first major assignment that will be due on Friday. So I'm going to click on this assignment, and I'm going to minimize the table of contents. So the assignment will provide you some information, including the due date and how many points are possible. We'll talk more about that when I discuss grading, but I don't want you to get too hung up on the points possible. What I'm going to have you do is read the instructions. Sometimes there'll be a video attached to the assignment for you to review. Once you're done, you'll see the questions that are being asked for you to respond to. And now you can submit the assignment. So how do you do that? Well, you really have a couple of options. Option 1 is to just write the response in the assignment itself. So you can go to text submission and click write submission, and that will open up a word editor, and you can type up your response there. Alternatively, you could attach a file from your computer. I don't recommend using any of the other three options. It makes it more difficult for me to open the files, but you can browse from your computer, and this will allow you to select a file to upload. I'm going to ask that if you upload a file that is a Word document, and even if you don't have Microsoft Word, if you're using Google Docs, you are completely able to export that file as a Word document to your computer and then upload it to Blackboard. If you're using Pages, which is on a number of Macs, you can save it or export it as a Word document and then upload it to Blackboard using the Browse My Computer option. Be sure not to put your response in the comment section. I have students occasionally do that, and it makes it hard to find where the assignment turned up. So again, for shorter assignments, I recommend simply doing the text submission and typing up your response here, or even typing it up in a Google document and then copying and pasting it in. And for longer assignments, we'll talk about submitting different kinds of file types. But for now, that's all you need to do. So once you've got your response ready to go, you simply click Submit, and you are all set. For each assignment, I usually allow you to submit up to 2 times just in case there's an error with the first attempt. In order to submit a new one, you just go back to the assignment and submit a second copy of it. And I'll get to see both, and I'll pay most attention to the one that appears most recently. If you have any questions about submitting assignments, please feel free to send me an email, drop by my office hours, or bring up a question during our Friday weekly meetings. Thanks.